You know why I love living in Brazil? It's the sights and sounds of Brazil. I mean, you just feel alive. When we lived in North America, in the United States, you know, people didn't talk to each other, people never honked. It was kind of quiet. Everybody was windows up, listening to their own music, like a solitary kind of life. Here, people talk, they laugh, there's music playing, there's loud advertising, there's so much going on. And you know, food vendors, you smell all that. The sights and sounds of Brazil are just absolutely amazing, and that's why I love living here.
Leca, Zax, entre outras marcas. Vem pra nossa loja, venha economizar. São calçados dos grandes centros do Brasil. Bora, meu povo, anime-se, vem, aproveite, vem pra cá, vem pra loja. É todo mundo chegando e economizando com a gente. É aqui na loja que você vai economizar. Tá esperando o quê? Entre e aproveite. É isso aí, cliente amigo. Pode chegar, pode aproveitar. Escolha seu calçado e aproveite. Calçados masculinos com até 50% de desconto. Parcelamos suas compras em até 10 vezes sem juros. É isso mesmo, compre aqui na loja e parcelamos suas compras em até 10 vezes.
Glad I'm not a lady. Brazil is full of all kinds of amazing juices because there's so many fruits and stuff over here. This place is just to die for. It's amazing. Sure does smell like money to me. Look, I love Brazil. They even sell incense that smells like money. Look at that. And guess where it's made? It's made in India. The moral of the story is, if you're sweating cats and dogs, do not bring your wife to the mall to cool down. Do not. Just open the window of the car and deal with it. Otherwise you're gonna have to buy her stuff that she really doesn't need. That's a fact.